physical plane, we are operating through money. So this is the energy na nagro-rule or tumatakbo dito sa planet. It is the money. But when we deep dive, so the true meaning of energy is, when it comes to spiritual level, is your energy. It is your God spark. It is your energy. It is the organic electricity. So that is your organic electricity, or also they called it divine light, yung God spark mo. Now, which is yung God spark mo, it is trapped, it is a prison inside your soul. So itong soul mo, your soul is the container of your divine spark. Your soul is the container of your divine light, your energy. So when it comes to physical level, so itong physical level natin is nag-rule siya ng pera, diba? So ito yung number 1, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng energy in motion dahil sa pera. Dahil kung walang pera, so hindi mag-ooperate itong planet. Kaya nga, diba, napakaraming slave, napakaraming they are selling their soul because of money. So when it comes to spiritual level, so ang nag-rule dito is yung energy natin. Yung energy natin, ito yung